Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create a column in column chart. So if you see here, we have a large column chart and within that we have small column charts. So if you see 2012, the entire head count was 665 and then we see it split by the various quarters of the year. So in this way we have data for 5 years and then we have the data for the 4 quarters. So we have a large column chart and within that we have smaller column charts. So let's go ahead and create this. We would first select our data, go here and insert a clustered column chart. So if you see, we have the 4 quarters plus the total over here. Let us just delete the grid lines for now. Next, what you need to do is select this axis over here, go to select data, and where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is written, we want the years. So we select edit and we select the years. So now if you see, we get the data for the 4 quarters and then we have the total. The first step is you need to change the colors as required. You need to do it first because later on it would be very difficult to adjust the chart. So I go here and I select it as a dark green. I change this series to a blue. I keep this as a green and the last one I leave it as yellow. Next is you need to add the data labels. So I added the data labels for the first quarter. You need to reduce the font size. So I have put it as 7. Let's do the same for the other series. So I've added the data label for the 4 quarters and I have adjusted the font size so that it is small. Next, you need to select your data label for your total series and also add the data label for it. Then, for your total series, what you need to do is put it on the secondary axis and overlap it to 100%. The chart looks a little distorted, but we will fix it. The next is you put the gap width as 30%. So if you see, I have put the total on the secondary axis, I have overlapped it to 100% and the gap width to 30%. Next is I select the fill and I do a solid fill and I select a light blue color and then adjust the transparencies. So I have adjusted the transparencies. Let us remove the secondary axis from here. Let us just adjust our chart. So if you see, we have a column chart and then we have the 4 quarters within it. Let us just bold it and this also let us just bold it. If you see, it is very difficult to select the inside series right now, and that's the reason we had changed the color and the font earlier. If you edit this and you put it as 450, you see this chart automatically updates. The same happens if you reduce it. If I put it as 25 over here, you see it has dropped down to 25. You don't need this axis, so just delete it. So this is a column in a column chart. So you have a main column which shows the totals and then you have the split of this total by the various quarters within it. So this is how you create a column in column chart in Excel. I hope you understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.